I recently had the chance to spend some time with the Amazfit Cheetah and Cheetah Pro, a smartwatch that is clearly designed with runners and endurance athletes in mind. After using it extensively, I can confidently say that this watch packs a punch in terms of features, design, and performance, especially considering its price point. Let me walk you through my experience with this watch, covering everything from its specs to its real-world performance. Design and build quality. The first thing you notice about the Amazfit Cheetah Pro is its lightweight design. Weighing just 43 grams with a strap, 32 grams without, it feels almost weightless on the wrist, which is a significant advantage during long runs or workouts. The watch is built from a durable fiber-reinforced polymer material, which gives it a sturdy feel without adding unnecessary bulk. The nylon strap is comfortable and breathable, though it does tend to retain water after showers or swims, a minor inconvenience I noticed during daily use. The 1.39-inch AMOLED display is one of the highlights of the watch. With a resolution of 454 by 454 pixels and a peak brightness of 1000 nits, it's incredibly bright and easy to read in all lighting conditions. The touch responsiveness is excellent, and navigating through menus feels smooth and intuitive. I found it particularly useful during outdoor runs when quick glances at my stats were necessary. However, the display only activates with a full wrist lift, which can sometimes be frustrating when you want to check your stats with minimal movement. Overall, the design is sleek and functional. It's not overly flashy, but has a modern aesthetic that fits well in both casual and athletic settings. Features. The Amazfit Cheetah Pro is packed with features that cater to both casual fitness enthusiasts and serious athletes. Dual-band GPS. One of the standout features is its dual-band GPS system, which uses both L1 and L5 frequency bands for improved accuracy. In my experience, the GPS was generally reliable in open areas, but struggled slightly in environments with tall buildings or dense trees. It supports multiple satellite systems like GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, BDS, and QZSS. AI Fitness Coach. The ZEP Coach provides personalized training plans based on your fitness goals and current condition. I found this feature helpful for structuring my workouts, especially when training for long-distance runs. 150+ sports modes. Whether you're into running, cycling, swimming, or strength training, the Amazfit Cheetah Pro has you covered. It even includes triathlon mode for multi-sport athletes. I primarily used it for running and cycling, where it tracked metrics like cadence, stride length, heart rate zones, and VO2 max with impressive accuracy. Health monitoring. The BioTracker PPG optical sensor offers continuous heart rate monitoring along with blood oxygen (SpO2) tracking and stress monitoring. Sleep tracking also works well, breaking down your sleep into stages such as REM and deep sleep. However, I had some difficulty adjusting my sleep schedule within the app. Offline maps and navigation. You can download maps via the ZEP app for offline use on your runs. This feature was particularly useful when exploring new routes or trails where I didn't have cellular service. Voice assistant and music storage. With Alexa built in, you can control smart home devices or get weather updates hands-free during your workouts. Additionally, you can store music directly on the watch and listen via Bluetooth headphones, though it doesn't support popular streaming services like Spotify. Health monitoring and fitness features. Despite being marketed primarily as a running watch, the Amazfit Cheetah Pro comes loaded with over 150 sports modes, including swimming, both pool and open water, cycling, strength training with rep counting, HIIT workouts, triathlons, and more. For runners specifically, it offers metrics like cadence, stride length, running power when paired with external sensors, and VO2 max estimation. The heart rate sensor works well for moderate intensity workouts, but struggles slightly during high-intensity sessions, something I noticed during interval training where heart rate spikes were not always captured accurately. However, for most users engaging in steady-state cardio or moderate exercise routines, this won't be much of an issue. The watch also tracks your sleep patterns quite effectively and offers insights into stress levels and blood oxygen saturation, SpO2. There's even support for women's health tracking, menstrual cycle monitoring, making it a well-rounded health companion beyond just fitness tracking. One feature I particularly liked was the integration of an AI-powered running coach through the Zepp app. It provides personalized training plans based on your current fitness level and goals, whether you're preparing for a race or just trying to improve your overall running performance. Performance. In terms of performance during workouts, the Amazfit Cheetah Pro holds its own against more expensive competitors like Garmin or Coros watches. Running metrics. The watch provides detailed running metrics such as cadence alerts, stride length analysis, heart rate zones, and VO2 max estimates. These metrics were generally accurate compared to my Garmin Forerunner 255. The race prediction feature was also fairly accurate but updated less frequently than I would have liked. Heart rate monitoring. While heart rate tracking worked well during steady-paced runs or low-intensity activities, I noticed some inconsistencies during high-intensity workouts like interval training. There were occasional spikes or drops that didn't align with my chest strap monitor's readings. Fortunately, you can pair external heart rate sensors via Bluetooth for more accurate data. GPS accuracy. As mentioned earlier, GPS accuracy was solid in most environments, but occasionally faltered in challenging conditions like deep canyons or dense urban areas. In open water swimming tests, the GPS struggled significantly, adding hundreds of meters to my actual distance covered. Despite these minor issues, the overall performance was impressive for a watch in this price range. GPS accuracy and navigation. Amazfit has made bold claims about their new MaxTrack trademark dual-band GPS technology, boasting near professional-grade accuracy, 99.5%. In practice, I found that while the GPS was generally reliable, there were occasional moments where it took longer than expected to lock onto satellites, especially in more challenging environments like urban areas with tall buildings or dense forests. Once locked in, however, the GPS performed admirably during my runs. The watch supports multiple satellite systems, GPS, BDS, GLONASS, Galileo, which helps improve tracking accuracy in various terrains. You can also upload routes via the Zepp app and use breadcrumb-style navigation or even download offline maps for more detailed guidance during your runs or hikes. That said, there were some inconsistencies when comparing elevation data with other high-end smartwatches like Garmin's Forerunner series. On steep terrain or during trail runs, I noticed discrepancies in elevation gain and loss data, sometimes by hundreds of feet, which suggests that Amazfit still has room for improvement in this area. Battery life. Battery life is another area where the Amazfit Cheetah Pro shines. With typical usage, including continuous health monitoring, I consistently got around 10 to 12 days on a single charge, close to Amazfit's claim of 14 days. During heavy usage with GPS tracking in high accuracy mode enabled, such as long runs, battery life dropped to about 7 days. For those who need even longer battery life during ultramarathons or extended hikes, there are power-saving modes that extend GPS usage up to 54 hours. In basic watch mode, with most features turned off, you can stretch battery life up to an impressive 45 days. Charging is relatively quick as well. It takes about 2 hours to fully charge from 0% using Amazfit's proprietary charger. Software experience. The watch runs on Amazfit's Zepp OS platform. While it's generally user-friendly with smooth navigation through menus via touch or physical buttons, including a rotating crown, there are still some quirks that could be improved. Zepp app integration. The companion Zepp app provides detailed insights into your workouts and health metrics. However, some users might find the app's layout cluttered or overwhelming at first glance. I also encountered occasional syncing issues between the watch and app. Nothing major but worth noting. User interface. Amazfit has made significant improvements in their UI compared to previous models. It's now much more intuitive, but still falls short of competitors like Garmin or Suunto in terms of polish. For example, certain settings are buried deep within menus or aren't as customizable as I would have liked. So, should you buy it? The Amazfit Cheetah Pro is an excellent choice for athletes looking for a feature-packed smartwatch without breaking the bank. While it may not be perfect, especially when compared to higher-end models from Garmin or Suunto, it offers incredible value at its price point. For runners or triathletes, who need reliable data tracking across multiple sports modes, along with solid battery life and decent GPS performance, this watch delivers on most fronts. If Amazfit can address some of the minor software quirks and improve heart rate accuracy during intense activities in future updates or models, they'll have a serious contender in the endurance sports market. In conclusion, if you're looking for a capable multi-sport watch that won't empty your wallet but still delivers plenty of functionality, especially for running, the Amazfit Cheetah Pro should definitely be on your radar.